Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a big day for us because we are celebrating our 25 years silver jubilee anniversary. And today I'm going to start. I just took my shower to start the day and I've done my prayer as per Indian tradition. And now I'm going to start with the sweet and I'm going to cook for 50. Let's see the ingredients. I've taken one packet vermicelli bambino and 3/4 bowl kismis or raisins and 3/4 cup almonds and half cup butter and 1/4 cup dry coconut. And this is cardamom powder, but I had to grind this using coconut sugar and 1 can milk and 2 condensed milk. Let's start the recipe. Add butter, add almonds. I've taken almonds and I have simmered it. Then I'm going to add raisins and coconut and mix them well till butter melts and gives brown color. Now the dry fruits are ready. I'm going to take it out into a bowl. Now I'm going to roast bambino or vermicelli into same leftover butter till it turns color, brown color. This is payasam. Now the bambino changed color and this is good enough. I'm going to add 1 bowl water. It looks cooked. Let it half cooked is good. I'm going to add milk. I've just added 3/4 can milk. Yeah, once the vermicelli or bambino gets cooked, it's good enough. It needs to be milky like this because after when it gets cold, it becomes the milk gets absorbed. And now I'm going to add condensed milk. I've added condensed milk. Mix it well. I'm not adding sugar as condensed milk already has it, and I have used 1/4 cup for grinding cardamom, and we already have lots of raisins. I'm going to add dry fruits to this. Dry fruits are added and just leave it for just 1 boil. It's done. When it comes to boil, just turn off, and I'm not going to keep it on the stove because that heat burns this out. And I'm adding cardamom. Mix it well. Plate it. Stay tuned and don't miss my next party recipe, an exciting recipe garelu.